Kynhun Myntri hakasngining kong kala Mynjur ya ka power policy ba Thymmai ka ban Peit bat penjana ya krukam trekam ka bede ka Bording la ka long na du ka Bording na ka na ka sngi bat kiwe. Habagren bikila pathai Khubor u Myntri ka tanat Bording iti mondel ulai thu pagajing thmu jong ka policy ka long ban pen klan chu shu ya krukam pen mi Bording Khuborjylla.
Power policy. Today we have discussed about the new power policy in a very thorough manner, and cabinet has agreed the new power policy. Some new addition is there, as you were aware that our earlier power policy was not having anything called farm storage project. We have a little bit changed the criteria for solar energy as per the requirement of renewable power purchase obligation, and then we are also encouraging the investor to come to the state so that new power projects come. These are the basic things that we have added. As of now, no power project is not functioning well. All are functioning well. Yes, thermal power project, all the power sectors we have included into our new power policy. That is a different thing, because it can come directly from the state government, from the central public sector units, from independent power producers. Power policy is basically a guidelines that how we will start the power policy. Actually, there was one allotment quite a long time back to NEHU, 500 megawatt. But you must be aware that now NEHU is a subsidiary company of NTPC, and they have decided that NEHU will be now only dealing with green energy. So NEHU itself has written us that they want to scrap this power policy. So accordingly, we have scrapped. New old power policy came in 2010, and this year it is 2024. 14 years has elapsed, and by the meantime there is big changes in the power scenario. So we needed new power policy. Yeah, that was there, but they have written that they don't want to go ahead with the power project. We have nothing to do with power policy. Have nothing to do with NEHU.
But they requested for.
No, we have given the scope for having palm storage project. Our earlier power policy was not having, because this is a new thing into the power industry. So how do we go about if we want to have our own palm storage project? So that's why we have brought it into the new power policy. No, this is a policy matters. After that only the state utility will think that whether they can go ahead or not, or maybe central PSUs they will think, or private party may come. As per this, then only we will see that whether it is feasible to give them or not. Actually, I'll just deviate from there. We have entered into an agreement to see whether the feasibility is there. If feasibility is not there, then no point of having that provision into the power policy. Now we found that there are some basins where we can have the palm storage project. That's why we are bringing it into the power policy.